How to increase Onepay overdraft limit. Open the Onepay app and complete all required account verification steps. Set up regular direct deposits to your Onepay account from a reliable income source. Try to keep receiving consistent deposits every month without long gaps. Use your Onepay card regularly for everyday spending and bill payments. Avoid declined transactions and keep your account activity clean. Repay any overdraft balance quickly after it is used. Maintain a positive balance whenever possible after deposits arrive. Keep your account active for several months with steady usage. Check the app often for automatic overdraft limit updates. Enable available features like Cash Plus if you qualify. Update your income information if your earnings increase. Be patient since overdraft limit increases happen automatically based on account behavior. Thank you for watching.